Hey, what's up? We're in San Francisco Airport on our way to China for Hong Kong. It's exciting. We're going to start mass production of mClassic. Bye. What I'm going to show you is from the tooling, from all the components, from the mechanical components all the way to the assembly line. Hey, we're going to start by checking out the tooling. So this is the raw material of the area of the factory. Let's go and check out the injection molding of mClassic. Right? Behind the golden plate, this is the mClassic, you see the back, inside the cover, we got this piece, right? I think we can get thousands with this, our first probably, right? This is one of the lines of the assembly house. We got 7 lines here.
那我们这边的话，只看这是两个上面一个头，这个头这样双面倒，系统面。明白吗？因为这个经过熔开它的 temperature control because like use this machine to check every component accurate.
Alright, day 2 at Foxconn factory. We are basically doing the pilot run of testing on the first 200 PCB production quality board before we trigger the SMT line of manufacturing the first 10,000 units. You've got a Blu-ray as a source, and we're making sure that mClassic is on the test, the board basically. Pass through 1080p. Switching mode now. 4K. Now it's in retro mode, so we can see 4:3 aspect ratio. Making sure that we're testing 480p, 720p, 1080p, 4K pass through. mClassic in different mode of operation with a switch. And she's switching between modes. Now it's in retro mode, so yes, we can see the 4:3 scale. 720p, 1080p on that one. Day 3, we completed the pilot run of 200 PCB of mClassic. They all passed. On Monday, we'll be starting the production line of 10,000 mClassic. Thank you guys.